Okay guys, I have, I think, what's going to be my last fall haul from Dollar Tree. And then, well, I have a couple Christmas things in here, but then after that it'll be Christmas. Got a couple more of these because I'm going to paint them. Okay. And I'm not going to be used like a typical bucket. It has that little owl. That's cute though, isn't it? But got that. That's for DIY. Three of these Santas. I was watching Country Charm Crafts with Tracy. Why do I always get her name mixed up? Why? Well, anyway, she did a really cute pumpkin one. Well, I couldn't find a pumpkin wooden container, and it can hold things. But I did get Santas, so I'm going to do a Christmas DIY with that. And I got some more of this ribbon. I think I showed you some, but I bought more because I like the Mackenzie Child, and this will go perfect with Mackenzie Child. Then I lucked out, you guys. They didn't have the black and white. Every Dollar Tree I looked at, and I finally found what I wanted. And I only got the small plates. Reason being, I don't have an abundance of storage. So I got the little ones because then these can go on top of the big plates instead of getting the big plates and these. So, family, cherish, blessed, and faith. But I think those are really cute. So I got those. And to go with those, I got a couple of the kitchen towels. Family and cherish. And I like the way this is all of the black and white check and this is half and half. I thought those were cute. Then I got a couple more of these wooden trees, and I'm going to probably decoupage onto those. And then I really like the retro. I'm not going to do a huge amount of Halloween, just a certain area of my house, but I thought this was cute, and I'm not going to alter that at all. I'm just going to leave it the way it is. And then I got this to go with it, which I thought was cute, and I'm not going to change that either. And to go with that black theme, I got 2 pot holders that say blessed. Some black socks for, I might do a gnome with these. I got some more of the red trucks. I might put those, a couple on the tree and a couple for my faux desserts. And I got these bows also for my faux desserts. I got this. I thought this was cute and it looked vintage. Eat, drink, and be scary. And then this trick or treat. I thought that was cute. And that was in their craft section. I also got more of these snowflakes. I use these for my faux food as well. And these I'll use. I got the Christmas house. I'm so excited about that. And I'm going to completely redo this. I'm not going to leave it looking like this or just paint it. I'm going to embellish it. I think it'll turn out cute. I got 2 of those. Then I got these, and they're for tea lights, but these are really pretty jewel colors, and they're the fall leaves. So I got a greenish, olive green, orange, and a red. I got some of these hats and these shoes. This will also go on cakes and cupcakes plate. and it won't look like this when I'm done, but it's for a DIY that I'm doing for fall. And just a couple more of these because they're almost gone, just to put in the rest of my decor, and I'll be doing my home tour probably the end of this week for fall. Not the end of this week, I'm sorry. I'll be doing my fall home tour next week, the end of September. I also got this, and it says Wicked because I like the retro witches. And then I got a couple more of these pumpkins. And then I got this little Christmas tree because I thought I could pair it up. I thought it would go nicely with these two. Okay. So I got it for that, to go with these. Is a little bit more of this ribbon that says the Halloween trick or treat spooky. You're not going to believe this. I went out to my car and I had a bag of stuff from Dollar Tree that was with the other. I completely forgot I had it, so I got to show you. Okay, it was a pumpkin and haunted house. I got some of these little pumpkins. Can't believe I didn't still see this. Doggone it. I got this little owl box. I thought that was cute. And I just got one of the Gather cup because I thought it was a pretty mug. And then this glass plate. I might put that like on my hutch or something, I don't know. And then these napkins, I thought those were pretty. You could decoupage with those. And then these 3 pumpkins. I love these clip-ons. And then I got some of the owls, and I'll put those maybe on my cupcakes. And then I got the Gather, the glass plates, and a couple of the mugs. And I got these 2 socks. Don't know if I'll do something with them or just wear them. I'll probably end up just wearing these. I like these where they have the skid resistance on the back, because I wear a lot of black anyway. I didn't know I got 2. Well, that's okay. And then these will be nice if I don't use it for a gnome or something to wear. So that's it. So that really is it. I can't believe that I forgot. Alright guys. Guys, until we get together again, remember the world's a better place because you're in it. There's only one you, and you bring something to this world nobody else can. Talk to you soon. Bye.